Welcome to Recom's Powerful Podcast, where we discuss new topics and products. I'm Jeff Deutschman, your product moderator. From a quarter watt up to 1,000 watts, whether the power is required for an industrial setting, a new IoT gadget, or a high-end medical-grade device, Recom has you covered. In this episode, we'll be talking about a new Recom part, the RMOD500-W. Peter, what market is this supply designed for?
Hey Jeff, this is the first part released in our e-mobility line, so it's an excellent match for off-highway electric vehicles.
Wonderful. So applications can range from electric golf carts to forklifts, right?
Yeah, that's right. Pretty much any off-highway EV could utilize this type of power supply. This could be airport people and luggage movers, to construction vehicles, and even automated vehicles like a pallet jack in a smart warehouse.
Wow, lots of unique applications there. I like that. And is this also considered a plug-and-play power supply?
Yeah, it's plug-and-play just like the RMD series. So we take care of all the complexities, which allows customers to integrate this part with little time and effort.
So the installation on the EV is pretty straightforward?
Yeah, so it's rugged enough to be chassis mounted.
Meaning it can withstand some pretty serious vibrations then.
Oh yeah, it can withstand vibrations that may come from any kind of off-road EV. It's also completely enclosed and has an IP67 rating for protection against dust and water.
Sounds like one tough supply. What about the thermal performance?
Yeah, so thermal specs are looking really good, and this is due to the strong efficiency, baseplate cooling, and the use of components with extended temperature ratings. You put all that together, and it'll operate in ambient temps from minus 40 degrees Celsius up to 90 degrees Celsius.
Very impressive. How big of a power supply is this, and how much does it weigh?
Yeah, so it's pretty compact. It's 4.5 by 8 inches and under 2 inches tall. It weighs 1.3 kilograms, 2.8 pounds, so not bad for a 500-watt beast.
Yeah, that's terrific, Peter. Let's talk about the electrical features and the protections.
Yeah, sounds good. So this part offers a wide input range from 32 to 96 volts DC that easily covers the 48 volt and 80 volt batteries commonly used in this market. The input is also polarity protected to prevent damage during installation.
We like to hear that. What output voltages are available?
Yeah, so the output voltages are a little different than what we normally see. They range from 11.7 to 24.5 volts DC, with many variations in between. The output is isolated and fully protected against short circuit, overvoltage, and overtemperature conditions.
And did I see something about using this in parallel?
Correct. There are models with an OR suffix. These models are built with an internal O-ring diode, which means customers can use two parts in parallel for either current sharing or for redundancy.
Definitely a nice feature. As always, thank you, Peter. Well, that wraps up another month's Powerful Podcast. Please be sure to listen next month when we delve into the pros of another Recom converter. As always, please contact your regional sales manager for any samples or pricing information. Ahmed and Peter are always happy to assist you with any technical questions or requests. Until then, have a great month, and always remember,
Recom powers your products.